In today's video, I would like to introduce you a very nice problem of Polish Mathematical Olympiad. Here is a beautiful geometry problem involving triangle. Here is the following information. We have ABC as isosceles and the right triangle at the point A. We have also the distance BD equal 2 times CD. And also we are going to draw this line from point B is going to make a right triangle at the point A. Okay. And also we are going to draw another line from point C is making the angle alpha. Okay. So our goal, we are going to calculate this angle alpha. But unfortunately, this problem came out with insufficient information. So we are going to work hard how to create more information which can help us to evaluate this angle. Okay. So the nice thing here, we have a right and isosceles triangle. So this one will be help us a lot. Go ahead, pause this video if you would like to give it a try to this problem before you get into the solution. So let's get started. So the nice thing here in the right and isosceles triangle, we have this angle is a congruent to this angle, and also this angle is a pi over 2. That's mean this angle is a pi over 4. Okay. This angle is a pi over 4 as well. Second thing that I'm trying to do now, I'm going to drop off the line from the point A perpendicularly on the segment BC. Okay. Let's do that. Now we will have a right triangle here. So the nice thing here, this line divide this big angle into 2 parts. This triangle is a congruent to this triangle because we have isosceles triangle. So now I'm going to calculate this one. Let's name also this one as a gamma angle. Okay. Since this angle equal to this angle because both triangles are congruent, that's mean this angle is pi over 4 minus beta. Okay. I'm going to calculate this angle. I'm going to calculate the gamma angle by using the triangle AEB. So I have gamma plus pi over 2 plus pi over 4 minus beta plus pi over 4. The total of these angles in the triangle is a pi. Pi over 4 plus pi over 4 is a pi over 2 plus pi over 2, which is pi. So with this pi will be cancelled out. So I will have this one is giving me gamma equals beta. Okay. Now we found a nicer relationship between gamma and beta. So this one equals beta. And this angle is a pi over 4 minus beta. Okay. Because the whole angle is equal to pi over 4. That means this one equals pi over 4 minus beta. Okay. Let's call this distance is x and call this distance is y. Okay. Since A prime is a midpoint of segment BC because we have isosceles triangle, and also we know this angle is a pi over 4 as isosceles triangle, and we know this angle is a pi over 4. That means this triangle A prime C as isosceles triangle. Okay. That means this distance A prime and C equal to A prime A. Okay. That means y plus x. That means y plus x equals A prime A. Okay. So I'm going to calculate y. Okay. So the only information that we know BD equal to 2 times CD. Okay. So y equal BD minus this distance. This distance is a BC over 2 because we have E prime is a midpoint. Okay. So you have BD minus BC over 2. So we know BD is 2 times CD, which is 2 times x. Okay. So this one is giving us a BD equal 2 times CD. 2 times CD minus BC over 2. So CD is a x, 2x minus BC over 2. This is y. Okay. And also we know BC over 2, which is this one, equals y plus x. Okay, so 2x minus y plus x. Okay, so we'll have y equals 2x minus y minus x. Okay, I'm going to bring y to the left hand side of this equation. I will get 2y equals x, 2x minus x. So this is the relationship between y and x. So that's mean y equals x over 2. Okay, now I'm allowed to apply the tangent of this angle because we have a right triangle. Okay, a prime d. So let's calculate the tangent of this angle. So the tangent of pi over 4 minus beta equals opposite is divided by adjacent. Opposite is y. Adjacent is this distance, which is this distance, y plus x. I'm going to replace y with its value because I already found it. It's giving me x over 2 is divided by x over 2 plus x. This one is giving me x over 2 is divided by 3 over 2x. I'm going to simplify this one. This one is giving me 1 over 3. Okay, what do we know about the tangent? So the tangent of pi over 4 minus beta equals 1 over 3 implies pi over 4 minus beta approximately, if you calculate this one, is giving us almost pi over 10. Okay, now beta equals pi over 4 minus pi over 10 is giving us 3 over 20 pi. Okay, let's name this angle as a lambda. Okay, here is a problem. If you take a look carefully at this figure, imagine the point D is not at this point. I'm going to bring this point D to the point E prime. What is going to happen? This distance y becomes 0. Okay, that means this angle becomes 0 as well. Okay, as y is going towards 0, this angle goes towards 0 as well. As y is increasing up, that means this angle is increasing proportionally. Okay, what does it mean? That means this line which coming from B, instead to meet at this point E, it gonna goes to the point A prime. That means E is taking the place of A prime. Also, this line which coming from C meet at this point E, it will come down to the A prime as well. Instead to have this line making a right triangle at the point E, it will make a right triangle at the point A prime. Okay, so we will have no angle here. So since we don't have no angle here, that means we don't have no angle as a lambda here as well, because E goes to E prime. Okay, what does it mean? That means, since, let's express that to understand this more. Let's express that we have, if y equal to 0, this implies this angle pi over 4 minus beta equals 0. That means beta equals pi over 4. Okay, and also this line CE is not gonna stay here, it's gonna come to the E prime. That means lambda will be 0 as well. In this case, this angle equals to this angle. Let's explain this one in a different way. Let's take another example. Let's move this point D to point C. So distance y is taking the whole segment A prime C. Okay, what does it mean? That means this line BE and CE, it will not be here. It will grow up and it will go up and meet at the point E. That means BE will be equal to BA and CE will be equal to CA. Okay, and this angle it become to C. That means this angle pi over 4 minus beta, it become equals to pi over 4. Okay, and this lambda goes to the pi over 4 as well. So that means always lambda equals to this angle. Okay, lambda is always equal to this angle, pi over 4 minus beta. Okay, so we already found beta. Now we have proven this angle lambda equals pi over 4 minus beta. I'm going to drop off a projection line from the point A on the segment BC. I will have a right triangle here. If you take a look carefully, this small triangle and big triangle are similar because this line is a parallel to this line and both triangles are right triangle. That means this angle is also this angle is a pi over 4 minus beta. Okay, I'm going to calculate alpha now. I will have a right triangle which is pi over 2 plus this angle which is pi over 4 minus beta plus this alpha plus this lambda. Lambda is pi over 4 minus beta, which we calculated. The total of this angle is pi as a triangle. Okay, now we'll have a nice cancellation. Pi over 4 plus pi over 4 is a pi over 2 plus pi over 2 is a pi, so everything will be cancelled out with this pi. So I will be left minus beta is minus 2 beta plus alpha. I will have alpha equals 2 times beta. Okay, here is a very nice expression here. So now, since we found beta equals 3 over 20 pi, that means alpha equals 2 is multiplied by 3 over 20 pi, which is 3 over 10 pi. Here is the value of alpha. So I have done with this problem. If you are interested in watching this one, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. If you have any question or suggestion, just put it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.